Jason what he wants to do now because we're kind of on that one lane. Should we?
I'll do the same thing.
I'm waiting for the little Subi to catch up. Don't worry. Wait, do you want me to be in the left or right? All right.
They're gonna be shitty.
Alright, I got you. Do you want me to be behind him? Does he want me to be behind him or in front of him? All the way around? Go, go, go. Oh, yeah. All right. No more around, no more around. All right, I'm going to hop on 231, so I'm going to get in front of you here. Or I'm hopping on 25. The fucking minute I start driving around over here on this side of town, I run into a goddamn tractor. Yeah, it does make them quicker.
Man, that thing's a diesel. What are you talking about? That bitch corn fed.
I just wish he'd let us pass him, you know?
I know, he's being a prick.
Yeah, get the fuck out of the way.
Tell Keith to look out that window. Hey, Keith, look out the window.
I think it's pointing the wrong way, you idiot.
Yeah, the cars behind us are probably like, what are they doing? Like, why's he got a fucking camera with a pole sticking out? Ballsy, Mason. I respect your balls, by the way, man. I would never have my fucking $1,200 camera sticking out the fucking car like that.
No way.